side was Syrian. So you will find Syrian soldiers. Israel did not have control of the whole lake until 1967. Remember what I said 1967 happened? Six-Day War? When an Israel Six-Day War. Why is it called Six-Day War? 6 days.
갈릴리바다입니다.
So the Israel was controlled the Sinai. You were in Sinai in Egypt, which was returned to the Egyptians after the peace agreement with Egypt in 1978, and also the Golan Heights. Golan Heights was annexed by Israel in 1983, and President Trump, when he was still president, he recognized the U.S. was the first country and the only country that recognized Golan Heights as the Israeli lands. I always tell my groups, and they even the Israelis they established or changed the name of one of the towns there in the Golan Heights and named it Trump, Town Trump. And I say they changed all the roof tiles into orange color. I just made that up, guys. So don't go looking for a town in the Golan Heights with the orange roof tiles. Now we always remember the stories as kids and Sunday school about Jesus calming the storm here. I'm sure Daniel is gonna share always. This is one of the favorite pastors topic about calming the storms. And but just to give you just a natural explanation, a scientific explanation of what happens. Remember, we are 700 feet below sea level, and as you can feel, the breeze here is very warm, hot air, and then that's the Golan Heights. It's higher than the Galilee in the east. So usually in transitional seasons, especially in the spring, you will have cold air flowing from on top of that mountain, arches, the wind arches over and hits the middle of the lake. And what happens when cold air collides with hot air? What happens? Twisters, right? So you see it now, it's so calm, but it can happen in a sudden. I'm not trying to scare the kids, guys, but hopefully during the summer we'll not have any. I don't think there's going to be any cold air coming in. It's so hot, so don't worry, we're in safe hands. But this is a big boat, right? And the other boats are bigger. In April, not last year, 2 years ago, there was a tempest like that in April, and these boats were in danger. They couldn't even return the boats to the dock. They were inside, and okay, nobody got injured or hurt or drowned, but even these big boats would be in danger. Now, when we're talking about Jesus using a boat, it's a fisherman boat. It's around 30 feet long, can hold up to 15 people. So imagine if these waves, did you go to the dock yesterday? You were tired, right? You didn't have the chance to go to but the waves were so high that they reached the dock there, almost to just behind the hotel. So don't let this calmness fool you. And